Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the server or community exposes a public invite or an embedded Discord widget on a web page. Once done, open a modern browser with cookies enabled and paste the invite or visit the page with the widget. You will see a preview or the widget interface show members and recent posts. This works because some server owners allow public previews and embeds that do not require authentication. Make sure to use incognito if you want no account traces. Next, use the public preview and embedded widget to read content. Widgets often provide a live read-only stream of member names and recent messages. They exist because server admins enable the widget. Alternatively, open the server splash or invite preview to view rules and announcements. If you need more history, search for bot-generated archives or RSS mirrors on the hosting site. Remember that writing or reacting normally requires an account, so focus on reading and gathering the info you need without signing in. To finish, capture needed information by saving screenshots or copying text from the widget or preview page. If the invite or widget redirects to a login screen, try a different browser, clear cookies, or use incognito to bypass legacy session redirects. Sometimes cached tokens force login prompts. If the server intentionally blocks public views, contact the server owner and request a public feed or an alternate access method. One troubleshooting tip: reload without extensions. Ad blockers or privacy add-ons can break
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.